The Detroit Riverwalk, another jewel in the city's crown, provides a scenic pathway along the river, linking key attractions and offering spaces for leisure, exercise, and community events. These public spaces not only enhance the city's aesthetic appeal, but also serve as vital gathering places where people from all walks of life can come together, reflecting Detroit's spirit of inclusivity and community. Through the thoughtful development and maintenance of parks and public spaces, Detroit continues to build a legacy of urban greenery and community. Focused living, enriching the quality of life for all who call the city home. How do neighborhoods like Boston, Edison, and Palmer Woods shape Detroit's architectural diversity and community essence? Detroit's essence shines in its diverse neighborhoods, from Boston Edison's historic charm to Palmer Woods' tranquil beauty. These areas showcase the city's vibrant life and architectural diversity, with each community adding to Detroit's rich narrative. Palmer Woods, within Detroit, is celebrated for its architectural beauty and historical depth, featuring luxurious mansions in styles ranging from Tudor to modern. Its landscaped gardens and serene streets highlight the neighborhood's sophistication and tranquility, making it a sought-after area for its elegance. Palmer Park, next to Palmer Woods, mixes natural beauty with architectural variety, offering walking trails. Its buildings showcase Art Deco and Gothic styles, embodying the area's cultural heritage. As a community hub, it hosts events that unite residents, strengthening community bonds. Rosedale Park is known for its cozy bungalows and grand colonial homes, reflecting a strong sense of community and pride. The neighborhood boasts well-maintained lawns and an active community association that spearheads various local events and beautification efforts. This vibrant community spirit makes Rosedale Park an appealing place for families. Boston, Edison, a historic Detroit neighborhood, displays architectural beauty and significance with diverse homes, from mansions to manors, featuring Georgian, Romanesque, and prairie styles. It has housed notable Detroit residents, contributing to its rich cultural and historical heritage. Detroit's musical tapestry. From Motown to techno, Detroit's musical legacy spans Motown, techno, and punk rock. It's the birthplace of Motown, nurturing icons like Marvin Gaye, Aretha Franklin, and Stevie Wonder. The city also birthed techno with pioneers Juan Atkins, Derek May, and Kevin Saunderson shaping its global influence. Bands like the Stooges and McFive pioneered punk rock here. These genres showcase Detroit's cultural richness and global musical impact. Detroit's landmarks, from the Ambassador Bridge to Belle Isle, are not just attractions, but anchors of unforgettable memories. Detroit's landmarks and attractions form the backdrop of my most cherished memories. The Ambassador Bridge and the Detroit-Windsor Tunnel serve as a physical link to the outside world, reminding me of the city's strategic significance and its function as a crossroads between nations. Belle Isle has been a personal oasis, with its sprawling parkland offering everything from serene picnics by the water to adventurous visits to the Belle Isle Aquarium and the Dawson Great Lakes Museum. Cultural venues like Cheyne Park, now known as the Aretha Franklin Amphitheater, and Hart Plaza have hosted countless concerts and festivals that I've attended, providing unforgettable experiences under the open sky, with the Detroit River providing a stunning backdrop. These places are not just attractions.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.